and it will be right after the final day of the Blues Festival.
Look forward to that. Always a fun time along Tamaka Waterfront Park for the event.
Yeah, definitely so. We always hope for good weather, and that's why we always look to you, Josh.
You know, right now it's still about more than a week or so out, but I do have some good news to report. Things are expected to be comfortable.
Okay.
Much different than what we're experiencing right now. A bit of a 180 for 71 degrees is where we currently reside with those overcast skies. And yes, a few light rain showers making their way across the Portland-Vancouver area, as many of us already starting to fall back into the upper 60s and low 70s at this point in time. And just to give you some perspective of where we have been over the past 24 hours, down anywhere from 20 to almost 25 degrees here across the metro area. You'll remember yesterday's temperatures climbed up into the low 90s. Now, maybe you're spending the evening out at the brand new Darcel 15 Plaza. That's where we expect to see some of those scattered rain showers take us through the rest of the evening as we fall back into the 60s and eventually, yes, the upper 50s as we approach the midnight hour. As the rain, the heaviest batch of it that we have experienced in about the past 16 days is closing in on the Portland-Vancouver area as it moves its way from the west to the east. Now, this is the latest batch that did bring some heavier downpours to the coastline over about the past 2 hours. Seaside still holding on to a few of those water droplets there on our camera lens, and this is just really going to be par for the course over the next several days as rain gauges are starting to fill up to 1/100ths of an inch out towards Astoria, and I anticipate a lot of these zeros to be washed away with our latest chance of rain this evening. Now, unfortunately, it's creating downsloping winds for our friends to the central eastern sections of our state, so that's increasing our fire weather danger dials. We'll improve things tonight and then ramp things up again for the southeast corner of the state as lightning poses a new threat of starting and spreading wildfires. So the red flag warning that's in place for northern Oregon, eastern Washington, set to expire later this evening. Then we see another one go into place for the southeast corner of Oregon as that lightning concern takes us through the day on Saturdays. Thunderstorms, a rumbler or two is a very real possibility for us, even across the I-5 corridor, but not everyone will get in on that thunderstorm action as we do cool things back to 66 degrees this weekend. That's nearing record-breaking cold afternoon highs, although I think we will be able to warm above that. As the scattered rain showers take us through the night tonight, some of us staying on the drier side for tomorrow, but we do expect more of that moisture to still work its way back into the Pacific Northwest, Western Oregon, Southwest Washington as the weekend begins. And that's going to help to fill up those rain gauges close to about 1/10 to 1/4 to almost 1/2 inch in some locations as, yes, snow elevation levels fall back to about 6,000 feet, something we don't typically get to share during the late summer season. Overall, though, picking up at maybe a snowflake or two to an inch, inch and a half as we fall back to 55 degrees tonight. 60s, 70s for us tomorrow afternoon. If you are heading out to the beach over the next couple of days, keep in mind you will want to pack the light jacket. Temperatures only getting up into the low to mid 50s as we hold on to the wet weather all the way through the end of the month of June, starting July off on Wednesday with a drying and warming trend. And you'll notice Thursday 72 degrees. Starts to push us towards the 4th of July. Again, where conditions are expected to be comfortable. We're looking at maybe upper 70s, low 80s.
All right, that sounds really good.
It
Thanks,
does.
Josh. Coming up.